On the table, 1 carrot and 1 clover. The carrot represents an asset. The clover represents money. The clover stands for money. Money is what we use to buy things. The carrot represents an asset. An asset is something you own that has value. 10 clovers are placed in a straight line. These represent 10 units of money. 1 carrot sits beside the 10 clovers. The price is 10. The clovers move toward the carrot. Money is being exchanged for an asset. The carrot remains. The clovers are gone. Money has been converted into an asset. Notice the difference. Money disappears. The asset stays. A second carrot is added. Assets can multiply over time. A simple upward line appears. This represents increasing value. The carrot is labeled asset. Assets can grow in value. The clovers are labeled money. Money is a tool. Clovers are stacked together. This represents saving. The carrot sits beside the saved clovers. A decision must be made. Keep money or invest it. Clovers move toward the carrot again. Investing means using money to buy assets. Now there are 2 carrots and fewer clovers. Money has been converted into ownership. The line rises. When assets grow, wealth grows. The line becomes flat. Sometimes value does not increase. The line slopes downward. Assets can also lose value. 3 carrots are placed on the table. Multiple assets reduce risk. The carrots are spaced apart. This is diversification. Small clovers appear beside the carrots. Some assets generate income. A small plus sign appears. This is return on investment. The clover stack grows larger. Profitable assets create more money. Everything is visible at once, carrots and clovers. Finance is the balance between assets and money. A simple balance scale appears. Managing wealth requires balance. An arrow moves from clovers to carrot. This is buying an asset. The arrow reverses direction. This is selling an asset. Several carrots sit beside a growing clover stack. This represents increasing wealth. 1 carrot, 1 clover. Money buys assets, assets build wealth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simplified lessons.